It might sound strange, but this could be an ideal solution for anyone with a small kitchen. One of the most annoying household chores has to be doing the dishes. Whoever invented the dishwasher, we owe you big time. This appliance washes your dishes for you in no time. At least, that's what its purpose was meant to be. Did you know that your dishwasher can be used for more than just cleaning dishes and cutlery? Today's video will discuss, she put uncooked salmon in her dishwasher, the results will blow you away. Cooking. Okay, so before we talk about what your dishwasher can do, other than clean, we need to talk about cooking. Cooking, in its essence, is using heat to prepare food for consumption. You can use steam to prepare couscous, or throw some salmon in the oven. Those cooking methods basically do the same thing, they heat up your food. Dishwasher cooking. Yes, you heard that correct. We're talking about cooking food in a dishwasher. Ideal, when you've got your entire stove filled up with other pots and pans. A dishwasher reaches a temperature of about 60 Celsius, 140 Fahrenheit, to 70 Celsius, 160 Fahrenheit. That's enough heat to cook a lot of things. Couscous? A big chunk of salmon? Your dishwasher has got you covered. How to cook in your dishwasher? Simply toss the ingredients that you want to cook into a mason jar, and fill it up with some liquid. Not too much, or it won't heat up enough in time, and put it in the dishwasher. Or, just wrap it in foil, or put it in a Ziploc bag, and lay it down beside the dishes. Turn on the program, and you'll have cooked your food before you know it. Some side notes, you won't be able to cook anything that requires boiling water, like rice. You're basically poaching the ingredients. Also, don't cook anything that requires higher temperatures to get rid of certain germs, like chicken. Are you going to try these tricks? Let me know in the comment section below.